Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me trying to go for the JavaScript 30-day challenge. Apparently, I'm a little bit behind, so I've been traveling. I'm in Georgia right now, the country, in case you're curious. So let's just get started. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about how I'm attempting this. Let's go. 2666 allow one function call. So given n, return a new function that's identical to the original function, except that it shows f of n is called at most once. This actually comes into play in testing, right? Basically, when you're doing mocks and you want to make sure that certain functions are called as part of testing, as sometimes it happens, this is a thing that helps out, though usually you would build, or not build, but you would use a library that is already done for it. But yeah, what am I doing again? So you have a function, so you want to, what am I returning is what I'm trying to figure out. Should return the same result as fn, undefined. It should return, oh, at most one. Sorry, I misread this. I thought it means that, well, I mean, you can still use it as part of, I mean, you would apply for an exception or something, but you would still use it as part of a test, because sometimes you're like, well, maybe you have some like logic and you don't want to call the same expensive function more than once, right? Okay, so, I mean, really, we just have a thing, right? So, I don't know, maybe done is equal to 4, something like this. Return, if done, we return undefined, right? Otherwise, done is equal to true, return fn of args, something like that. Maybe my syntax is a little bit off, but that should be the general idea. Apparently, I am maybe wrong. One, two, undefined. Did I mess it up? I mean, quit, I did, but I don't get what this means per se. Wait, no. Did I misunderstood something? Okay, so I mean, I think there is some misunderstanding of the syntax or something like this, but I think conceptually should be okay. Let's see. I mean, I don't even understand this output, to be frank. So let's explore this together. We're all learning JavaScript together. Like, okay, let's just say we return undefined. What this? I'm just trying to figure out how to interpret their output, I think. Okay, so if I always do that, then okay. And then let's just say I don't return undefined. What does that return for me? See, that's the part that I don't get. Why am I? Oh. Is it maybe something like that? Did I? Okay. I just, certain languages handle the this is the yeah, I messed up because this is something called varargs or varargs or variable args, which means that you basically have a variable number of input arguments to a function, right? And and it's a syntax thing. Some languages handles it differently, and I guess I just didn't really appreciate. But I think what happens is that at least now that I see the output or whatever, it actually puts in the arguments as like one object into the first parameter versus so it was trying to add a list of 1, 2, and 3 or something like this, plus an undefined, which is why it was showing that weird thing, because function is a function that takes in three inputs. Anyway, so I guess that makes sense in that context. But I just didn't realize that I had to do it on something that's already that. But yeah, JavaScript is weird. Anyway, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. I'm not gonna go over the complexity. I mean, it's whatever. So yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Stay tuned for more of these. Well, just more of these. Bye bye.